Hello everyone, this is Wali and welcome back to Mugdha studio. A very good evening to Hyderabad Indian customers and mana US customers. Ki very good morning adi. So in this session I'm going to show you Brocade Pattu sarees. Let me show you the saree I'm wearing. So here comes brighter shade of blue. So you can call it copper sulphate blue or Krishna blue, and on borders we have got darker shade of red. So borders వచ్చి మనకి brighter shade of tomato red లో ఉన్నాయండి with zari all over saree. చూస్తున్నారు కదా, జరీ అంతా చాలా మంచి క్వాలిటీ జరీ తోటి ఉంది త్రూ అవుట్ ద సారీ. సో యూజువల్గా మనకి పట్టు సారీస్లో కూడా బ్యాక్గ్రౌండ్లో జరీ అంతా ఇంత దగ్గరగా ఇవ్వరండి డిజైన్ అంతా. సో విల్ బీ హ్యావింగ్ బూటీస్ విత్ స్పేస్ ఇచ్చి మనకి బూటీస్ వచ్చి ఉంటాయి. బట్ ఆన్ దిస్ సారీ ఇట్స్ టోటలీ డిజైన్ విత్ ఫ్లోరల్స్ అండ్ లీవ్స్. సారీ అంతా కూడా అలాగే ఉంది. అండ్ బార్డర్ కూడా జస్ట్ హ్యావ్ అ లుక్ అట్ ఇట్. We have got a 14-inch border with peacocks and swans all over the saree border. So manaki mannequin lo kuda manchi beautiful pieces unnai with brighter shades. Let's see this saree first. So we have got mango yellow and rama green on borders. So deeniki vachi manaki autumn falling leaves shape lo motifs unnai throughout the saree. And on borders manaki fish shape motifs unnayandi. So throughout the border manaki fish icharu. So ee border vachi around 13-inch border undi. So if you look at clearly, we even have parrot green thread work with zari mixed on borders. So saree kuda chala lovely color combination with yellow and rama green on borders. So we have got contrast blouse for this saree with contrast pallu. So here comes the blouse with contrast rama green. Let's see the second piece on mannequin with brighter shade of magenta pink and green on borders. So we have got leaf green on borders with beautifully designed zari on saree body. So just have a look at the work on this. So we have got two different shades of zari. So pink meeda golden zari tote work undandi, and on top of that it's totally embossed with golden zari. Borders వచ్చి మనకి green ఏ ఉన్నాయి, but on that we have kadi zari work. We even have silver zari shine. So the border is really big with 15-inch border. So in between we have violet shade, background lo silver zari shine undi. So this is 15-inch border with beautifully decorated peacocks all over the border, and on edges we have kadi zari work. Here comes the third piece in display with the two different shades on it. So it's mixture of gold and hot pink on entire saree. So this is how it looks like. Throughout the border we have floral zari motifs, and we even have kadi zari work on border. So సారీ అంతా కూడా మనకి మంచి ఫ్లోరల్ డిజైన్ తోటి ఉందండి. జస్ట్ హ్యావ్ అ లుక్ ఎట్ ద బార్డర్. ఇట్ ఇస్ ఫుల్లీ డిజైన్ విత్ జరీ. సో ఇది వచ్చి మనకి కడీ జరీ వర్క్ ఉంది 2 sides, and in between we have floral designs, floral motifs. Here comes the final piece in display, and we have got darker shade of blue, copper sulphate blue with red on borders. So ఇది వచ్చి రెడ్ అండ్ పింక్ ఇచ్చారండి, కల్లికా మిక్స్ ఉంది. We have 2 shine on this border, red and pink with green in between. So parrot green lines చూస్తున్నారు కదా. సో parrot green lines లోపల we have polka zari dots, and on edges మనకి sunflower motifs ఉన్నాయి. సో శారీ అంతా కూడా we have drop shape booties with golden zari. మంచి రీజనబుల్ ప్రైజెస్లో ఉన్నాయి సారీస్ అన్నీ కూడా. సో దీనికి ఈ సారీ బ్లౌజ్ మాత్రం మనకి రెడ్, చిల్లీ రెడ్లో ఉందండి. వెన్ ఇట్ కమ్స్ టు బార్డర్ వీ హ్యావ్ డార్క్ షేడ్ ఆఫ్ హాట్ పింక్. So guys, here I am. So this is a saree I'm wearing today. The one who missed it, just have a look at it. It's a brighter shade of blue with red on borders. So ఈ సెషన్లో మెటీరియల్ వచ్చి మనకి బ్రోకేడ్ పట్టు సారీస్ అండి. సో చాలా లైట్ వెయిట్ ఉంటాయి. మీకు ఆల్రెడీ ఐడియా ఉంటుంటుంది కదా బ్రోకేడ్ పట్టు మెటీరియల్ ఎలా ఉంటుంది అనేది. సో లెట్ మీ షో యూ ద mannequin pieces once again. So these are the 4 mannequin pieces. And hi Lita, hi Namita, thank you so much. Video is hazy at times. Yeah, we do have some technical issues, but please do inform us so that we'll just stop showing the collection or the mannequin pieces when the video is not clear. Please do inform us, Namita garu. And thank you so much. Let me show you the prices of the mannequin pieces. So here comes the first saree. Let's see the price of the saree. So ee saree price uchi 7,999. So price of the first piece is 7,999, and we have magenta pink on second, and ee saree price is 8,280 rupees. So here comes the third piece. Let's see the price of this saree. So it costs around 6,999 only, and here we have final saree in display, and this is a very reasonable price. It costs 5,700 rupees only. So hi Shweta. So you love the yellow color? Okay. So this is the yellow. So Naga Maheshwari, hi Andy. This is the saree I'm wearing, and it costs 6,999. Okay, hello everyone. Once again, let me show you the rest of the collection, or if you want to have some interactive session, please ping here. If at all you're looking for some exclusive collection or anything, you can ask me anything here. Yeah, so if you have nothing to ask, then I'll show you the rest of the collection. Here comes the first saree. Someone really loved the yellow in the mannequin. So manaki similar color combo lo we have got different designs. So this is the first saree with yellow, and we have red on borders for this saree. When it comes to borderline, manaki leaf green undi on 2 sides of the border with leaf green borderline. So let's see the motifs designed here. We have leaf shaped motifs all over the saree with golden zari. And on other side we have a different border with kadi zari work in the beginning, And on edges we have peacock zari motifs. Just have a look at this peacocks. Chala ante chala baagunnayandi. So the peacock is really beautiful and very well designed. Chala clear ga telustundi. Every inch of detail, every small detail of the peacock is clearly given here. Just have a look at it. Here comes the pallu. Let's see the blouse of this saree. We have contrast red colored blouse for this. So guys, if at all you find the video is not clear, please do inform us. Please do comment here so that we'll stop showing the collection if it is really blurred. Here comes the blouse with red. So we have got chili red on blouse, pallu and on borders of the saree. Let's see the price of it. Very reasonable price, 7,840 rupees on it. Here comes another beautiful saree with brighter shades here. We have magenta pink and leaf green on borders. So we have done many brocades Pattu saree videos andi. Rochi hotcakes laga sale ayipotu untayi. Market lo chala demand undi. So guys, hurry up. Meer choosina saree ventane screenshot teeskondi. We'll definitely show you the helpline numbers here and we'll let you know how to order online. So let's see the saree before that. So we have drop shaped motifs on this saree. So drops kuda single drops ichi odledu. Just have a look. We have 3 drop shaped motifs with a beautiful design under it. One side achi manaki simple kadi zari work unnadi. Other side we have a very big mango motifs. So mango motif size chusna kada, it's really big, and inside mango we have peacock. So which is beautifully designed all over the border. Coming to border size, we have got 15-inch border here, which is really huge. But pallu, and on blouse we have contrast green color. So we have got self-textured one here, though it's a contrast blouse. And on borders we have kadi zari work, pink and green color combination la undi, which is very traditional color combination. Price is 7,799 rupees on. Another pastel color here with lighter shade of grey and magenta pink on borders. Just have a look at the saree. So saree anta kuda manaki lotus floral bouquets unnayi with golden zari. Background lo manaki grey color undi. We have pastel grey, and on borders it's rani pink with kadi zari on one side. Other side it's a very huge border of 16-inch border. So let me explain the border clearly. So it has got different shades. One is with the pink and golden zari. In between it's mix of golden and silver, and in the edges we have kadi zari work. Just look at the quality of the saree and the design. It's like chala clean ga, and every part, every small detail is clearly designed here. Video lo anta clear ga undadu andi, endukante we use focus lights to show you all. So any online video lo we use focus lights. So guys, color difference untundi, even the zari shine will be a bit different, but I'll clearly explain you all those things. So don't worry. Here comes the blouse with self design on the blouse, and we have got a big border on sleeves. Price of the saree is 9,299 rupees only. So far I have shown you sarees below 10k. And ఈ సెషన్లో వచ్చే సారీస్ అన్నీ కూడా ఏది అబౌవ్ 10k లేదు. might be 1 or 2 sarees, but rest all are very budget friendly sarees అండి. Let's see the next saree here. So this is single colored saree with chili red on entire saree, but on border edges we have got a small border line with leaf green on 2 sides of the border. Just have a look. So saree anta vachi manaki single chili red la undi, but when it comes to border manaki green color line undandi. Let's see the booties design here on this saree. So we have got differently designed mango motifs, which are placed very nearer to each other on overall saree. On other side we have a very big border with kadi zari work. So usually kadi zari work kuda chala dominating ga untundi, but when you neatly drape the saree, you will get to know the beauty of the zari here. Here comes the pallu. So ఇప్పుడు saree నేను నార్మల్గా ఇలా చూపిస్తున్నాను కానీ, బట్ వెన్ యూ రియలీ డ్రేప్ ఇట్ విత్ ప్రాపర్ ప్లీట్స్ అండ్ ఆల్ చాలా మంచి లుక్ వస్తుందండి. So brocade Pattu sarees antaru with me. Here comes bottle green on blouse with zari for sleeves. Let's see the price of the saree. It's 8,999 rupees only. So guys, if at all you're looking for any exclusive designs, specific colors, please do ping here. We'll let you know, or else we'll let Sashi ma'am know regarding your request. So here comes another saree with brighter shade of blue. So you can call it royal blue on saree body, and when it comes to border, we have darker leaf green on border. So saree అంతా కూడా ఇది చాలా డిఫరెంట్లీ డిజైన్ మోటివ్స్ అండి. జస్ట్ హావ్ లుక్ అట్ ఇట్ విత్ గోల్డెన్ జరీ. సో బ్యాక్గ్రౌండ్ ఎప్పుడన్నా బ్రైట్ కలర్ మంచి డార్కర్ షేడ్ ఇచ్చినప్పుడు మనకి ఈ జరీ బూటీస్ అన్నీ కూడా చాలా బాగా హైలైట్ అవుతాయి. సో ఆన్ దిస్ saree these motifs are popping out. Let's see the border. So we have 13-inch border here with floral design. So we have different floral motifs overall saree border. Here goes the pallu with green, and this is the blouse. So we have got contrast plain colored blouse. Price is 7,799 rupees only. Here comes another shade in yellow. You can call it lemon yellow with leaf green on borders. When it comes to edges, we have lighter shade of leaf green border line on two sides of the border. So ఇక్కడ ఇచ్చిన saree design కూడా చాలా బాగుంది. జస్ట్ హావ్ ఎ లుక్. సో ఎల్లో మీద గోల్డ్ బాగా కనిపిస్తుందండి, చాలా బాగా షైన్ అవుతుంది. సో పికాక్స్ కూడా వి హ్యావ్ హ్యూజ్ పికాక్స్ ఆన్ బోర్డర్స్. సో పికాక్స్ అంటే యూజువల్గా నేను చూసినంత వరకు ఏ శారీ మీదైనా ఎక్కడైనా కూడా చాలా ఆ జరీ వర్క్లో అంత క్లియర్గా కనిపించవండి. సో ఇట్ విల్ బీ అ మిక్స్చర్ ఆఫ్ జరీ, బట్ పికాక్ డిజైన్ అని క్లియర్గా చూస్తే కానీ తెలీదు. బట్ సూన్ ఇఫ్ యూ లుక్ ఎట్ దిస్ జరీ బార్డర్, you'll get to know it's very clearly designed. Every minute detail is highlighted here with different shades of zari. With pallu, and here comes the blouse. So after this saree, I'll show you how to purchase this saree online. Price is 7,799 rupees only. So guys, have shown you prices for every single saree in this session. Coming to my price saree wearing, coming to the price of the saree I'm wearing, it's 6,999. management ki kuda చూపించాను. In case మీకు ఏ saree నచ్చినా వెంటనే స్క్రీన్ షాట్ తీసుకొని ఇక్కడ పైన ఉన్న నెంబర్కి వాట్సాప్ చేయండి. Our team will help you in placing orders. Regarding any inquiries regarding the color or material of the product, please do reach out on this number in WhatsApp. And for online payment, we have Google Pay contacts available here. Take a screenshot of this and keep it handy. We do ship international countries. So guys, hurry up and place your orders. Let's see our rest of the collection. So in case if you have any requests, you can ping us here in our live sessions. So we'll definitely take care of your requests. Our team will help you with those things. So another beautiful shade in chili red with leaf green on borders. So throughout the saree we have beautifully designed floral design. Just have a look. So if you flowers అన్నీ కూడా చాలా క్లియర్గా ఇచ్చారండి, and they are a little bigger in size. And on other side we have floral motifs with mandalas. So this is the entire saree. Just have a look. Usually red and green we do prefer in any puja కానీ festivals ఉన్నా. సో రెడ్ చాలా బాగుంటుందండి. అండ్ ఇప్పుడు మనకి వరలక్ష్మి వ్రతం వస్తుంది కదా, ఇన్ కేస్ ఇఫ్ యూ ఆర్ సెటింగ్ అప్ ఐడల్, సో అమ్మవారిని కనుక మీరు ఇంట్లో పెట్టుకుంటే దిస్ ఇస్ ద బెస్ట్ చాయిస్. చాలా కలగా ఉంది శారీ లైవ్లో. ప్రైస్ ఆఫ్ ద శారీ 7,840 rupees on. So we have mehendi green here, a differently designed saree. So saree body మీద మాత్రం we have silver zari motifs. Just have a look at the design. It's a bit different to what I've showed you till now. So we have got a big border on other side with 15-inch border. Just have a look at it. Chala big border undi idi. So on borders we have pink mixed with green andi. Kalneta mix undi. Usually Kalneta ante you people are well known about it. But let me tell you, because chala mandiki idea undakapochu kada. So for those, I'm just repeating what is Kalneta. Manaki two threads mixed chesi untayi Kalneta ante. On this saree border we have two different threads, pink and green with zari work. So this is the entire saree. So on pallu and blouse we have got pink and red Kalneta mix. So here comes the blouse. Self-textured design undi on blouse with a very big zari. Let's see the price of the saree. It costs 5,999 only, 5,999. Here comes another brighter shade of royal blue with small zari motifs. So usually chala mandi they don't prefer big motifs. So pedda flowers unna, peacock designs unna, people don't like that kind of work. So alanti customers ki guys, just have a look at this. So it's really pretty in life, with smaller zari motifs all over the saree. And on borders we have magenta pink with silver zari work. When it comes to saree body, we have golden zari shine on this. With pallu. And this is the blouse. Let's see the price of the saree. So this saree price is 8,699, 8,699 rupees only. So here comes another different color combination. Usually we get parrot green or different shades of green on borders with yellow, but here we have Rama green with yellow. So we have got a beautiful and decent zari shine all over the saree. So manaki session lo entante only heavy zari work toti kakunda ledante routine peacock motifs to kakunda, like they have shown many different designs. Just have a look at this peacock. So peacock body వచ్చి మనకి golden zari తోటి ఉంది. When it comes to its feathers, can you see this? The work with golden and silver zari. So చాలా prettyగా ఉందండి ఈ saree live లో. This is the complete saree with pallu. And here comes the blouse in self-textured and contrast color. Rama green lo undi blouse. Price of the saree choosing. So its price is 7,999 rupees out. So we have copper red color here. So ఇది వచ్చి copper red కాదు, I was mistaken. ఇది chili red with green, Kalneta mix ఉందండి ఈ సారీలో. So we are seeing two shades on this saree, green and red. So which is traditionally designed on borders with mango motifs. So borders we have leaf green. So this is how the saree looks. It really looks beautiful when you properly drape it. Chala ante chala baagundi live lo ee saree with pallu and blouse. So in my previous live sessions, I've seen many customers requesting for red and green. So guys, manaki limited collection lo undi red and green. So guys, hurry up and place your orders. We have shown helpline numbers and also how to purchase them online. Price of this saree is 10,500 rupees on. So here comes a designer piece with different colors on this saree. So let's see the colors on this. We have orange, red and yellow on borders. So saree amta manaki differently like different motifs unnayandi. Let me show you one after the other clearly. We have elephant motifs, we have parrots and floral design. So elephants, parrots and floral motifs unnayi on saree body. Let's see the border. One side we have simple khadi zari work. On other side మనకి పికాక్స్ వచ్చాయి అండ్ we even have swans, butterflies ఉన్నాయి, too many ఇచ్చారు. Just have a look at this border. సో ఇది వచ్చి డిజైనర్ పీస్లో ఉంది, ఇది సింగిల్ కలర్ అండ్ ఎక్స్క్లూజివ్ పీస్. Just have a look at the saree. So if at all you wanna go with tradition and trend, this is the best choice. చాలా బాగుంది saree లైవ్లో with pallu and here comes the blouse. Price of the saree is 6,999 rupees only. So here are the helpline numbers for your orders. In case మీకు ఏదైనా సారీ నచ్చితే వెంటనే స్క్రీన్ షాట్ తీసుకుని ఇక్కడున్న నంబర్కి వాట్సాప్ చేయండి. అండ్ ఫర్ ఆన్లైన్ పేమెంట్ we have Google Pay contacts available. So guys, hurry up and place your orders. We do ship across different countries. Hurry up and place your orders. Let's see our rest of the collection. So here comes another Kalnita mixed saree with two different shades of green. So we have Rama green and leaf green on this saree with beautifully designed floral zari work on entire saree. So ఈ Rama green kuda chala baaguntundandi. It really gives a traditional look. When it comes to border, other side we have a differently designed border. So let me explain you clearly. It has got two sections. So one section lo manaki background zari tissue laga undi, but this is not tissue, this is pure zari work. And on that manaki manchi thread toti and golden zari toti mixed floral design undi. Coming to edges we have arrow lines and in between manaki kadi zari work ochindi. So it's really pretty in light, chala baagundi saree. Just have a look at it. Here comes the pallu. Price of the saree, the saree price వచ్చి 7,999 ఉంది. So ఇది కూడా very rare color, neon green with copper sulphate blue. Usually you don't find this color. So guys, hurry up and keep all your eyes on this saree. చాలా brightest shade లో ఉంది. So let me explain the booties design here. We have peacock motifs. So ఈ సారీ మీద అంతా కూడా ఎలా ఉంది అంటే లైక్ ఫారెస్ట్లో పికాక్స్ ఉంటాయి కదండి. బ్యాక్గ్రౌండ్లో వచ్చి మనకి ట్రీ షేప్ మోటివ్స్ ఉన్నాయి, ఫ్లోరల్ డిజైన్ ఉంది. ఆన్ దాట్ పికాక్స్ కూర్చున్నట్టు ఇచ్చారు. సో ఇక్కడ ఇఫ్ యూ లుక్ ఇట్ క్లియర్లీ వీ ఈవెన్ హ్యావ్ టెంపుల్ జరీ వర్క్ ఆన్ టూ సైడ్స్ ఆఫ్ ది బోర్డర్ విత్ కడీ జరీ కంటిన్యూడ్ బోర్డర్. అదర్ సైడ్ వీ హ్యావ్ పికాక్స్. సో పికాక్స్ గురించి కూడా we have got some requests. So here we have entire sarees with peacock with pallu, and here comes the blouse in contrast copper sulphate blue. So we have self texture design on entire blouse. Let's see the price of the saree. It costs around 6,999 rupees on it. Here comes bottle green with magenta pink on one side of the border. Other side we have brinjal violet and magenta pink mixed colors. So ఈ సారీ మీద వచ్చిన మోటివ్స్ మనకి ఫ్లోరల్ డిజైన్లోనే ఉన్నాయి, బట్ we even have mango motifs inside. Let's have a look at the border. So it's beautifully designed border with two different colors with magenta pink and violet. సో ఇక్కడ వచ్చి మనకి డిఫరెంట్ జరీ షైన్ ఉందండి, సిల్వర్ అండ్ గోల్డెన్ విత్ పల్లు. అండ్ దిస్ ఇస్ ద బ్లౌజ్. సో త్రూఅవుట్ ద బ్లౌజ్ వీ హ్యావ్ సెల్ఫ్ డిజైన్ వర్క్. Price of the saree is 7,699 rupees on. Here comes brighter shade of yellow with magenta pink on borders. So ఈ saree మీద వచ్చి మనకి drop shape motifs ఉన్నాయి, which is differently designed. Just have a look at it. Other side we have got peacocks with zari, And here comes the pallu with blouse. So this is the blouse. Price of the saree is 7,799 rupees only. So guys, I'm here again. So a very good evening to Indian customers and good morning to American customers. So guys, hello everyone. So let me read out your comments. Just give me some time. Let me say hi to everyone personally. Okay. So what's the hi Namita garu. So what's the difference between the 6K collection and higher price collection? So we have got a different zari work. You need to see the quality of the zari. So zari quality will be decent and chala baundi andi live lo ante how can I explain? It's like 6K sarees kuda we have got darker shades and higher priced vachesi manaki border lengths ekku vastu untayi and we even have beautiful zari work on higher priced. So hi Lakshmi garu. So coming to the saree material, you can call it brocade pattu. So this is not pure silk, this is brocade pattu saree. In this session I'm going to show you complete brocade pattu sarees with beautiful and different color combinations. So not the very regular routine color combos but chala different color combinations toti vachamo ee session lo. Okay. So when the video is not clear, please do ping like this so that we'll stop showing the collection. Hi Yamuna garu, is the video clear now? So any other requests, any other comments? If you're good with the video, then we'll start showing the collection. Or else if you want some interactive session, if you need to talk to me, then please do comment. Let's have a session. Hi Kavya garu, hello. Where is this live from? So we have got 4 stores in this Hyderabad and this store is in Secunderabad Patni. So it's the Patni store. So anyone else? So this is the Patni store. Okay. No more comments. Then we'll start showing the rest of the collection. So okay, you need detail. Maheshwari garu, hello andi. So you need detailed description regarding my saree, the one which I'm wearing. So let me show you the saree once again. This is the one I'm wearing today. And here it comes with brighter shade of blue. Idi Krishna blue anachu, chala manchi color, manchi traditional color idi. And on borders we have red. So you can call it brighter shade of tomato red. Okay. So throughout the saree manaki manchi floral zari motifs unnayi with leaf shaped motifs here. And on borders it's with peacock. So chusnar kada, this peacock is beautifully designed on this border. So sorry to tell you this Kavya garu, online sarees can be purchased only through online. So the problem here is we don't have the stock here, though now we are showing the video. So based on the customer request, the stock will be moving. So guys, please do purchase them online. We have been showing the helpline numbers very often after showing 6 to 7 sarees. So guys, please do, it's a request from us. So online sarees need to be purchased online. So you can definitely come to the store. It's really beautiful. The interiors and all are really good. So you need to see this store. Chala ante chala baaguntundi. And here are the helpline numbers. So online lone purchase chesukovalandi. So that's a request from our end. Okay. Anything else, or can I start showing the collection? Hi Unita. A very good evening. Okay, so let me show you the rest of the collection. So here comes another beautifully designed saree with pastel grey and green on borders. So we have got darker shade of Rama green here again. So this session though we have got too many sarees with Rama green on borders, and throughout the saree body kuda Rama green tho chala colors chupinchanandi. It's one of the traditional color and most lovable color kada. Yeah, I know, but chala baagundi ee saree kuda live lo. Just look at the design here. So we have got leaf shaped motifs on saree. On borders, we have got simple work on one side. Let's see the border on the other side. It's really huge with 16 inches. Let me explain you clearly. We have got 3 partitions on this. So first and last lo manaki kadi zari work undandi. In between we have peacock motifs, and on the edges manaki temple pillars mida floral design untundi kada. So aa shape lo design chesaru. Here it looks like. So ఇప్పుడు గ్రే కూడా చాలా ట్రెండింగ్ కలర్ అయిందండి. ఇట్స్ అ వెరీ హిట్ కాంబినేషన్. గ్రే విత్ రెడ్ ఉండేది, బట్ వీ హ్యావ్ కమ్ విత్ డిఫరెంట్ కలర్స్ ఇన్ గ్రే. Here goes the blouse. So the blouse starts from here. This is the entire blouse. Price of the saree is 8,699. Another brighter shade in green. So we have got 2 different colors here, neon green and parrot green. So parrot green వచ్చి మనకి motifs లోపల it's a very small, అంటే కొంచెమే ఇచ్చారు parrot green. Neon green is dominating here. And on borders we have parrot green, magenta pink and zari. Just have a look at the booties here. ఇది వచ్చి మనకి peacock ఉందండి. We have circular motifs with peacock inside. And on other side of the border we have mango motifs with pallu, and this is the blouse. So due to some technical issues, sometimes we'll be seeing some blurry video. Guys, please do help us with it. Please do respond if the video is blurred. We'll immediately stop showing the collection if it's blurred. Coming to the price of the saree, it's 6,299 rupees only. So someone asked me regarding the budget friendly price and above 6k. So it's the only difference is the work on it, and we'll be getting a bigger borders if the price is high. So we even have bigger borders with low price, but the quality of the zari will be more when the price is high. Here comes brighter shade of pink with Rama green on borders. So this is a saree similar to the one in the mannequin. So manaki mannequin lo first chupinchina piece model lone undi with a brighter shade here. And we have got fish shaped motifs on overall border with pallu. And here comes the blouse in Rama green. So saree color combination వచ్చి మనకి magenta pink and Rama green లో ఉంది. Price of this is 7,999. So another beautiful and different color combination here with leaf green and orange. So orange kuda manchi festive look istundandi. It really looks good. Just have a look at this saree. It's really pretty in life. So let me explain you clearly. Background lo vachi decent zari shine undi. On that we have floral motifs. On other side we have rose floral design with silver and golden zari work. So chala baagundi saree anta. Background lo golden zari toti and floral motifs vachi silver zari toti icharu. Here comes the pallu. and this is the blouse. So we have got orange colored blouse for this saree. Orange color blouses kuda chala rare ga vastayi andi. It's very rare. Price of the saree is 7,999. Most of the time pink, yellow chustam, green blouses kuda chala frequent gaane untayi, but getting orange blouse is tough. And saree kuda chala pretty ga undi at a very reasonable price. So guys, hurry up and place your orders. Here comes another brighter color with rama green and yellow borders. So saree meeda manaki lotus floral motifs unnayi. And on other side of the border we have beautiful peacock zari motifs. So ee peacock vachi fully open feathers toti undandi. Just have a look at this peacock. And we even have temple zari work on this border. On two sides of the border we have temple zari work. This is how the saree looks like. Pallu. Here comes the blouse. Let's see the price of the saree. It costs around 6,999. Another beautiful color combination with yellow and chili red, darker shade of chili red. So this is the chili red on one side of the border with beautiful zari work on saree. Other side we have got a brown color, chocolate brown with mango motifs and peacock booties. So we have chili red and brown on other side of the border. Yellow with chili red is the saree color combination with pallu. And on blouse we have contrast brown colored blouse. So brown blouses are rare. So guys, hurry up. Price of the saree is 7,699 rupees on. Here comes another beautiful shade in deep green with magenta pink on borders. So usually the brocade pattu sarees chala easy and handle cheyadam. You can use it rough and tough ga use chesna, nothing will happen. Chala baaguntayi sarees and chala comfortable ga kuda untayi kanchi pattu sarees kante kuda. So throughout the saree manaki ivochi shankam untundi kada, aa shape motifs unnayi on entire saree. When it comes to border, we have peacocks with green on borders. So if you clearly observe, we have got two different sizes in peacock, smaller one and a bigger one. Pallu. So we have got two different shades on the blouse, magenta pink and violet on blouse. So chala bright ga shine avutunayi andi two colors kuda. Price of the saree is 6,800 rupees on. So we have another saree with a huge border here. Here comes chili red with pink. Kallita mix undandi ee saree lo kuda. And on borders one side simple work undi with zari. Throughout the saree we have peacock motifs. And on the other side we have a huge border of 15 inches and detailed work with mango motifs. Let's see the price of the saree. So with pallu and blouse. So here comes the blouse. Coming to the price, it costs around 7,699 rupees on. So we have parrot green with darker shade of hot pink on this saree. So ఇక్కడ ఇచ్చిన saree మీద మనకి gold and mustard color thread mix తోటి బూటీస్ ఉన్నాయి. సో గోల్డెన్ జరీ తోటి వర్క్ ఎక్కువ ఉందండి. మస్టర్డ్ థ్రెడ్ తోటి కొంచెం లైట్గానే ఇచ్చారు వర్క్, బట్ అది చాలా బాగా కనిపిస్తుంది లైవ్లో. సో గైస్ ప్లీజ్ హావ్ ఎ లుక్ ఎట్ ఇట్. So other side we have peacock motifs in dual zari. Pallu. Here comes my beautiful color. సో చాలా బాగుంటుందండి ఈ సారీ లైవ్లో బాగుంది. ఆరెంజ్ కలర్ కూడా చాలా ట్రెడిషనల్ అండ్ ఫెస్టివ్ లుక్ ఇస్తుంది. సో ఆన్ బోర్డర్స్ వీ హ్యావ్ బ్రింజాల్ వైలెట్, డార్కర్ దెన్ బ్రింజాల్ వైలెట్. అండ్ త్రూ అవుట్ ది సారీ మనకి మోటివ్స్ ఇచ్చారు విత్ జరీ. అండ్ ఆన్ అదర్ సైడ్ వీ హ్యావ్ పికాక్ మోటివ్స్. Here comes the pallu with blouse. So we have got a plain and contrast colored blouse and kadi zari work on two sides of the border for Sarees. Price 7,799 rupees only. So another shade in parrot green with red on borders. So borders lo vachi red and green mixed shade undandi. Just have a look at this saree. It's totally embossed with silver zari and in the background we have golden zari work. So for any details regarding the saree material, please do ping on our helpline numbers, guys. So there you'll find the exact answer for what you're looking. Here comes the blouse. Price of the saree is 5,299 rupees only. So here are the helpline numbers. So మీకు ఎలాంటి క్వైరీస్ ఉన్నా రిగార్డింగ్ ద మెటీరియల్ ప్లీజ్ డూ పింగ్ us on this WhatsApp number. And for online payment we have Google Pay contacts available here. Take a screenshot of this and keep it handy. We do have international shipping over the globe. So guys, hurry up and place your orders. ఈ బ్రోకేడ్ పట్టు సారీస్ అంటారు వీటిని. సో ఇవి చాలా ఫాస్ట్ సెల్లింగ్ సారీస్ అండ్ మార్కెట్లో కూడా మంచి డిమాండ్ ఉంది ఈ సారీస్ కోసం. సో హరీ అప్ దట్స్ ఇట్, డోంట్ రిగ్రెట్ ఇట్ లేటర్. చాలా బాగుంది కలెక్షన్ విత్ డిఫరెంట్ సెట్ ఆఫ్ కలర్ కాంబినేషన్స్. సో లెట్స్ సీ ఆర్ రెస్ట్ ఆఫ్ ది కలెక్షన్. So we have bottle green here. So it's the first saree with bottle green. So ఇప్పుడు చూపించిన గ్రీన్స్ అన్నీ కూడా మనకి ప్యారెట్ గ్రీన్ వచ్చింది, నియాన్ గ్రీన్ అండ్ ఈవెన్ హ్యావ్ లీఫ్ గ్రీన్. But this we have got it with bottle green and magenta pink on borders. With pallu. So we have got a beautiful blouse with brinjal violet. Price of the saree is 9,299 rupees only. Let's see the next piece. So here comes yellow. So ఇది వచ్చి మనకి mustard yellow అనొచ్చండి. You can call it as mustard yellow with copper sulphate blue on borders. So saree అంతా కూడా మనకి మంచి motifs ఉన్నాయి, శంఖం shaped motifs. Look at the border with blue, contrast blue, and we even have copper zari work. The pallu. And here comes the blouse in blue. Let's see the price of the saree. It costs 9,299 rupees only. So we have lighter shade of pink. You can call it as powder pink, but darker shade of rama green on borders. So this is such a pretty color combination. Chala baagundandi ee saree live lo. Just have a look at it. So throughout the saree we have beautiful zari work, and on other side of the border it is designed with floral work, and we even have parrots. The pallu, and this is the blouse. Let's see the price of the saree. It costs around 7,999 rupees only. Here comes another beautiful shade in green with copper sulphate blue on borders. You can call it neon green only. So we have huge border for this, more than 15-inch border. So peacocks icharu with the different shades. Just have a look at the saree. Here comes the pallu. And this is the blouse. Coming to the price of the saree, it costs around 9,299 rupees only. So another beautiful color combination with rama green and orange. Chala baagundi andi cheera. So I really love this saree. Live lo aithe chala ante chala baagundi. No words asalu. And throughout the saree we have beautifully designed zari work with lotus motifs. Let's see the other side of the border with floral print, floral design undi. We even have peacock motifs on this. Oh wait, this is not peacock. Squirrels unnayandi, squirrel kuda undi. We have got too many things in this session. Chala different designs toti kuda ichamo ee session lo with pallu. And here comes the blouse with self-textured design. So it's the blouse. Let's see the price of it. It costs around 6,999 only. So we have too many yellows in this session. Here comes another mango yellow with peacocks on border. So border వచ్చి మనకి two different shades లో ఉందండి, pink and green with pallu. And here's the blouse. Coming to the price of the saree, it costs 7,830 rupees only. 7,830. Another shade in leaf green with pink with beautiful mango zari, mango motifs work on saree. Pallu. And this is the blouse. Let's see the price. It costs 8,999 only. So this is another beautiful shade in pink, baby pink with parrot green on borders. So saree anta lotus floral motifs unnai. This is the second saree I am showing you with open peacock feathers. Here comes the pallu. So pallu lo we have got musical instruments on this. Just have a look at this. Chala pretty ga undi saree live lo with blouse. Coming to its price, it costs 6,999 only. So we have the last saree in this session with brighter shade of green and copper sulphate blue on borders. So ikkada vachi peacocks manaki circular motifs lo unnayandi. With a big border. Here comes the pallu. And this is the blouse. So this session lo mana last saree idi. Let's see the price of this. It costs 6,999 only. So this session lo chupinchina maximum of the sarees 6,999 rupees lone unnayandi. Here are the helpline numbers. Please do reach out on this number in WhatsApp. Our team will help you and guide you in placing orders. And for online payment, we have Google Pay contacts available here. Take a screenshot of this and keep it handy. We do have international shipping throughout the globe, so guys, hurry up and place your orders. So stay tuned for Mugdha Studio. This is Wally signing off for today. See you all tomorrow.